Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? How is it going? I am good, and you? I'm Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we will learn Gulf dialect sentences. We are in Gulf dialect sentences playlist. So I will show you some of words and sentences in Gulf or Khaleeji dialect, and we will study them together. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and check all the playlists because I have all the dialects. So now let's start. As I said before, we have some words and sentences in Gulf or Khaleeji dialect, and we want to study them. First one is gim or gum. Gim or gum. It means stand up. So this word is a command or order verb to a male. Stand up for male is gim or gum. Next one is شو تسوي. شو تسوي. What are you doing? شو تسوي or شو تسوي. She or شو. شو تسوي or شو تسوي. What are you doing? For male, of course. For male. For female, شو تسوين or شو تسوين. شو تسوين or شو تسوين. What about a group? For a group, شو تسوون or شو تسوون. شو تسوون or شو تسوون. Next one is very famous in Gulf or Khaleeji countries. It's some. Some. It means go ahead or continue or come in a polite way. I know maybe this will make most of you confused, but let me give it an example. Some, you can say it to someone to eat. Some. Or you can say it to someone for to tell him or to tell her to continue the speech. Some. For example, I am your guest. You can tell me some. It means eat. If I am on your door, in front of your door, I am a guest. You can tell me some. It means get in or come in. Okay? So some means continue or get in or come in or eat in a very polite way in Gulf or Khaleeji dialect. Okay? Next one is خلني or خليني. Next one is خلني أروح. خلني أروح. خلني, it means let me. خلني, let me. أروح is I go. أروح, I go. So together, خلني أروح, let me go. خلني أروح, let me go. Next one is another way to say the same sentence. خليني أروح. خليني أروح. خليني also means let me. So here خلني, it means let me, and also خليني means also let me. خليني أروح, let me go. As we said, أروح is I go. أروح, I go. So خلني أروح or خليني أروح, it means let me go. Next one, is ويش تسوي. ويش تسوي. Basically I should put this after شتسوي, but it's no problem, I just put it here. ويش تسوي, it means what are you doing. So now we have two ways for what are you doing for male. شتسوي and ويش تسوي. Next one, شتعمل. شتعمل. إيش تعمل. إيش تعمل. It means what are you doing, also for male. إيش تعمل. Next one, ويش تعمل. ويش تعمل or ويش تعمل. ويش تعمل or ويش تعمل. ويش تعمل. It means also what are you doing for male. Now let's talk about what are you doing for male, what are you doing for female, what are you doing for a group, in all methods, okay, in all ways. For male, شو تسوي or شو تسوي, ويش تسوي, إيش تعمل, ويش تعمل. For female, شو تسوين or شو تسوين or ويش تسوين or إيش تعملين or إيش تعملي. إيش تعملين or إيش تعملي. And last one, ويش تعملي. ويش تعملي for female. Now for a group, شو تسوون or وش تسوون or إيش تعملوا. إيش تعملوا or إيش تعملون. إيش تعملوا or إيش تعملون. Last one, ويش تعملوا. ويش تعملوا. So these are the words and the sentences for today for Gulf or Khaleeji dialect, and this is our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget also to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the dialects in my channel. And I upload videos daily. So see you tomorrow with a new video and new words and new sentences. So see you tomorrow. Salam. Peace.